Honor is set to launch its Magic7 RSR Porsche Design flagship, and it is expected to make a strong impression with its impressive camera features, particularly its periscope camera. The brand has shared several teasers on its Weibo profile, revealing that the Magic7 RSR will feature a dual electromagnetic focus motor for superior focusing and an industry-leading aperture size, which will capture more light and detail in photos. Reliable tipster Digital Chat Station has also disclosed the key specs of the Magic7 RSR's camera setup. According to the tipster, Honor will equip the phone with a 50MP main camera using the OmniVision OV5OK sensor, a 1x1.3-inch sensor with a variable f1.222 aperture. The main camera will be accompanied by a 200MP periscope sensor 1x1.4-inch with an f1.88 aperture, 3x optical zoom, and up to 100x digital zoom, along with the aforementioned dual electromagnetic focus motor. The third rear camera will be a 50MP ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view and macro mode capabilities that allow for a 2.5 cm focus distance. The core hardware of the Magic7 RSR Porsche Design remains unchanged, featuring a powerful battery with impressive charging capabilities, a trio of high-performance cameras, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The device sports a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with 1 billion colors and full HD resolution, though it exceeds full HD. Honor avoids using the 1.5K marketing term. The display offers a peak brightness of 5000 nits and is protected by glass that is certified to be 10 times more durable against scratches and drops. The fingerprint scanner beneath the display has been upgraded to an ultrasonic sensor, replacing the optical one used in the Magic 6 series. The Magic7 RSR is equipped with a 5850 mAh battery, supporting 1000 wired charging and 800 wireless charging. Additionally, Honor has integrated its custom E2 chip for charging, which is designed to improve efficiency and extend battery life. There are two prices: CNY7, $999 $1,100, €1,050 for 16 GB 512 GB memory, or CNY8, $999 $1,230, €1,185 for 24 GB 1 TB. They are already available for purchase in China, but we have to wait for an international launch, which isn't confirmed at this point.